Hello friends, today we are going to see how to set a session variable and access it on another page. So this is our project. So here we have login PHP, the one we used the last time. Now let us increase the size. Okay, so as we saw last time, here we have email and password, and this login.php check if the email is empty or email is equal to valid email and password is empty or password is equal to valid password. And when everything's fine, then automatically it include index.php. So now we are going to see how we can set a session variable and we redirect the user to index.php so that the user will access all session variable set from this page. How to do that? Here we need to put first, because we are going to use session, here we have to put session start. Okay, and after putting session start, we set session variable after verifying everything here. So it means session variable, we put them here, not on the beginning. So you come here, then you say $sign session. Okay, maybe the first variable is user, so this will be equal to user. So this session variable user will be equal to this user. And now, so here we have to put semicolon. So let us say that another session variable is, for example, school. Maybe the school is GS Scholar, semicolon. Another one, so let's copy this, copy this. Maybe another one is tel. Then let's say that the tel is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Maybe another one is district. Maybe let's say district is Kilehe. Another one maybe is province, and the province is east. And let's put another one, maybe we say lore, and maybe lore is teacher. And the last one, let's say gender, and gender is M. So here this login.php will check email and password, and if everything's fine, then it will reset all these variables: user, score, tel, district, province, lore, and gender. Now after setting this, what you have to do, we have to redirect the user to this index.php. So we don't use include here, we will use header, then put this location index.php, then semicolon, then after we put exit. Now here, when we put header, you have to make sure that there is no output before this header. So it means there is no HTML, there is no echo, there is no or any other white space before calling this header. And for this exit, we always call exit after redirect to stop further script execution. Now after this, we are going to save this, then we open our index. We are going to access our variable from here. So now here we put also session start. Okay, Now here we are not going to use iSetPost, but we are going to use iSetSession. And remember, for our iSetSession, we have user, school, child, district, province, role, and gender. So let us take the first one, user, then iSetUser. If iSetSession user, now we are going to spread the message. If not, the message will be empty. So let us say that the message is this one. So we are going to use div now. We are going to put everything in div. Okay, sorry, div, div. Okay, then this style, we put it here, and let's say this is h3, not h1, h3. Okay, so welcome user. Now let's use ordered list. We open ordered list, then we close it. So let's say that the first item is province, so it will be equal to province. District, not this, li, district, and school, and okay, per, let's say that here it is phone number. Now gender, and law, let's say law. Okay, so now here we have to define these variables: province, district, score, tier, gender, and law. So let's copy this. Let's copy these ones, then we paste them here. So we change this like this. User is equal to session user, and remove this, remove this, remove this, remove this, remove this, remove this. Now here the variable is school, equal session school, and here tar equal session tar, district equal session district, province equal session province, law equal session law, and gender equal session gender. Then we save. So after saving, and here also we have saved. Okay, after saving, we are going to open web browser. We type http as usual. Okay, this is our project. Then click here on login. So we are going to log in. Let's take the valid username, to this one. The valid password is 123456. Then paste it here. So 123456. Then click login. So as we can see, automatically we have welcome Ichingene Pacific, province this, district this, school this, phone number this, gender this, law this. But so let us change this. Okay, let us change this. Then we use UL another list. Okay, and also this style, let's remove it and we put it here again. So we don't put this in the center. After we save, then reload. Okay, so welcome Chenjene Pacifique, province East District Kirehe, school dress Bukora, phone number 1234, gender M, role teacher. So this is how we set session variable, and after we access those variable from another page like this. Next time we shall see how to set cookie and access cookie. Thank you for watching. See you next time.